Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss about particle in 3D box. Particle in 3D box. So in previous video we discussed about particle in 1D box, right? Now I am going to discuss about particle in 3D box. 3D means 3 axis, that is x axis, y axis, z axis. So consider a particle of mass m. So that is moving along, x direction is A and y direction is B and z direction is C. I am taking S. So if it is the 3D box, this is x direction, this is y direction, this is z direction, right? Now I am considering a particle of mass m moving along x direction is A. So it is moving in the limited region. So x direction is A, y direction is B, z direction is C. Particle inside the box is 0, outside the box is infinity. So this is the 3D box. So first you should write the statement, that is what? Consider a particle of mass m moving in the limited region of the space, that is along x direction is A, y direction is B, z direction is C. So that means, and the Schrodinger wave equation is given by the Schrodinger equation is given by what is the Schrodinger equation? Already we know that dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into 8 pi square m by h square into e minus v into psi is equal to 0, right? So I am telling about, so if particle inside the box is 0, so already we discussed in the previous video, particle outside the box is 0, potential is infinity, particle outside the box is infinity. That means there is a no probability of finding the electron. So directly I am going to take particle inside the box. So particle inside the box potential is 0, e minus 0 is, you will get only e. So next this term comes that side, what happens? Dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square is equal to minus, if comes this side, what happens? Minus 8 pi square m by h square into e minus e into psi. You should write directly e into psi. This is equation number 1 you should take. So this is equation number 1 you take. So next you should write, so this is particle inside the box, because already we know that particle outside the box is potential is infinity. That means there is no probability of finding electron. That means I square is 0. So we should write, after writing this equation, dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square, this is a Schrodinger equation you take. So next I am going to write the wave function for 3D box is given by, the wave function for 3D box is given by, you should write psi of xyz is equal to x of x into y of y into z of z. You should write, this is the wave function. This is equation number 2 you take. This is equation number 2 you should take. So now differentiate the above equation, that means differentiation of this equation. So you will get, differentiation means with respect to x I am doing, dou by dou x I will write. So left side dou by dou x means dou psi by dou x. Here whenever you are taking partial differentiation, you are only concentrating about dou by dou x. Differentiation is only for x. So that case y and z are the constant. Directly apply here dou psi by dou x plus dou psi by dou x is equal to yz are constant. Directly you should write only, not y of y, you should write only yz. You will get same, just nothing I do, dou by dou x, dou psi by dou x, dou x by x. So you can say dou x by capital X is it's, you can say sometimes it is 1, right? Just we will tell dou by dou x of x is 1, right? Just I am taking here capital X, just don't take it is 1, just you should write capital X as it is. So if you do the double differentiation, what you will get? Double differentiation, if you will do the above equation, double differentiation means dou square psi by dou x square is equal to y into z as it is. Just you should write double differentiation, dou square x by dou x square you should write. So this is small a you take, right? Similarly, if you will do for dou psi by dou y, dou psi by dou y means you will take x z are the constant. That means dou square psi by dou y square, if you will take, what are the constant? If it is y, x z are the constants, and dou square y by dou y square you will get. This is equation number B you take. Then dou square z by similarly dou z square you will take. So that means what you will get? So you are taking z means x y are the constants, and dou square y means what? Dou square z by dou z square you take. This is equation number 3. Now substitute the equation A, equation B, equation C in the equation number 1. That is what? Schrodinger equation. Now you should substitute all the values in the Schrodinger equation. Then you will get another equation, right? So I am going to write that equation. So you should write, what is the equations first? What is Schrodinger equation? Dou square psi by dou z square, right? So what you got? Dou square psi by dou x square you got. In place of xz you will get yz, right? So that means substitute, you should write state here. Substitute A, B, equation A, equation B, equation C in the equation 1. In the equation 1, what you will get? So equation 1 means what? So dou square psi by dou x square, here you got yz, right? Y into z into dou square capital X by dou x square you got, plus here dou square y by dou x square, that is what? X into z into dou square y by dou y square you got, plus similarly here dou square, this is what? xy, x into y into dou square z by dou z square, that is equal to what? Minus 8 pi square m by h square into e into psi, right? E into psi. So psi means what? Psi in, already I took psi of xyz, right? Psi means what? Psi means xyz you take. So psi means it is a xyz. Psi means xyz. You should substitute psi value also. So now what you will do? Divide left hand and left side and right side with xyz. Divide xyz on both sides. What happens? If you divide xyz both sides means you will get, if you will divide x, just I will write, just you are dividing both sides means you are doing xyz. So this step is not required, directly you should write xyz, you are dividing xyz, So that means here yz cancel, you will get only 1 by x, xz cancel, you will get xyz, xz cancel, you will get 1 by xy, you will get 1 by z. So here you will get cancelled. That means just you should write directly. So what is that? You should write 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square plus 1 by y into dou square y by dou y square plus 1 by z into dou square z by dou z square. So that is value is equal to minus 8 pi square m by h square, minus 8 pi square m by h square into e you got. So 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square, this is about. So you are after substituting you got this value, right? Now what you will do? Just you should equate each value, each of this term with this value. So each of this term with this value, each of this term with this value. First I am going to take one term, that is what? 1 by x into dou square x by dou x square. So that is, now I am equating with minus 8 pi square m by h square into e. So if I want to write, this means here what you will get, x is cross multiplied dou square x by dou x square. So that is equal to what? If x comes this side, you will get here in place of x, you will get e into x, right? Now comes, take this term this side, what you will get? Minus term comes here its side, you will get plus term, right? 8 pi square m by h square into ex is equal to 0. If you observe clearly, what you are observing, this is a same similarly particle in 1D box, same particle in 1D box equation. In place of x you took x, in place of psi you are taking x, right? So that means this value we took as k square, right? K square we took and we solved the equation. What we got finally? We got psi is equal. So what is the solution for this equation? For psi means what? Root 2 by L sin n pi by L into x. Final equation we got in 1D box. Whoever seeing this video directly, you can go through the previous video, then you will get the 1D box solution. So this equation same equation in the 1D box. So if you observe clearly, what is the solution? Psi is equal root 2 by L sin n pi by L into x. So here psi means x, you should take psi means x, you should take x, right? So this is generally I will write here, then I will write the final equations for this psi wave function. What you will get? Wave functions if you observe, what you will get? I am writing directly. So psi means you should take x of x, because here x is there, you should write x of x is equal to root 2 by L. L means length of the box along x direction is a. 2 by a into sin n pi by L into x. N pi by L into x, right? Same similarly, y of y is equal to what you will get? Root 2 by b into sin n pi by, here L means a, right? N pi by b into x. And z of z, what you will get? Root 2 by c into sin n pi by c into x. So here y you will get, here x is there x, y is there y, z is there z you will get. So after writing this is the solution, right? Directly you got the solution of this is what? 1D box solution, wave function is what? Root 2 by L sin n pi by L into x. So in place of psi it is x, right? Same, x is equal to root, in length of the box is L is equal to a, root 2 by a into sin n pi by a into x. All these are the solutions. Now you should substitute all the values in, what is the equation we have? Psi of total wave function is what? What is the total wave function? Directly I am writing psi of xyz is equal to what? X of x into y. Already we have that, x of x into y of y into z of z. Now you should substitute all the values in this. X of x value is this, y of y value is this, z of z value is this. If you will substitute, just I am writing as it is those values. Root 2 by a sin n pi by a into x, root 2 by b sin n pi by b into x, sin n pi by b into x into y, root 2 by c sin n pi by c into z. Should write here root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So if you write root 2 into root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So already know that, right? Root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 root 2 you will get. So that means you should write 2 into root 2 by root a into root b into root c is root abc. Then you will get sin n pi by a into x, sin n pi by b into y, and sin n pi by c into z. So this is the wave function for this is the wave function for 3D box. This is the wave function for 3D box. That is what? X, Y, Z. This is the wave function for 3D box along X, Y, Z, all directions. Now I will talk about the energy. If I will talk about energy, energy is what? Energy for 1D box. What is the energy for 1D box? What is the energy? What is the energy? Energy for 1D box E is equal to, already I told you, n square h square by 8 ml square, right? So if I will talk about energy for 3D box, you should write energy for 3D box 3D box, we should write first. So energy for 3D box, so E energy for 3D box is equal to, generally Ex plus, it is sum of all directions, Ey plus Ez, right? E is equal, x means along x direction, nx, right? Nx square h square by 8 ml square, 8 ml square, right? 8 ml square plus nx square, so nx, then ny square plus h square by 8 m. L means here length of the box along x direction is A, so along y direction is B, and nz square into h square by 8 mc square. So if you will take h square by 8m is the common, what you will get? If h square by 8m is the common, what you will get? Nx square by a square plus nx square by ny square by b square plus nz square by c square. So if I will talk about 3D box, that is cubic box. Cubic box means length of all directions. This is the cube if I will take. So x, y, z. Length of the box for cubic box is same. All lengths are same. Directly you will take, if it is L, you should write directly L. Length of the box R is L. L square, L square, L square. So L square gets cancelled. You will get what? H square by 8 ml square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square. If you observe clearly, what you are going to observe? Same, E is equal to what? N square h square by 8 ml square is for 1D box. So same similar, h square by 8 ml square is common. So then n square in place of, we are taking 3 directions, that is nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Right? This is about 3D box energy. So this is the 3D box energy. This is the 3D box cubical energy. Up to here you should write. Then next, if I will talk about ground state energy, already I discussed in the 1D box, ground state energy is directly n is equal to 1. So if I will talk about ground state energy of this is what? Directly you should write ground state energy. X, Y, Z. 1, 1, 1. X is 1, Y is 1, Z is 1. So you should write 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is, directly we will get 3, right? 3h square by 8 ml square is the ground state energy. Ground state energy you should write. Ground state energy, right? So if it is 1, 1, 1 means there is only one possibility. So that degeneracy concept we will discuss in the next video. That is separate concept we will discuss. This is the ground state energy. So if I will give you a x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3, what you will get? So h square by 8 ml square is a constant, right? Then you should write what is 1, 2, 3, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, plus 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So what is the energy for 1, 2, 3 state? That is 14h square by 8 ml square. So all these are the degeneracy concepts we will discuss. Up to here you should write. Up to here ground state energy you should write. This is all about the particle in 3D box. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much.